guys, welcome to Chalan's Kitchen. Today what I'm gonna bring to your kitchen is a simple and tasty recipe of vanilla ice cream. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe and enable the bell icon for more new videos. So shall we move to a recipe? Just have a look at the ingredients. Milk half liter, sugar 3/4 cup, corn flour 2 tablespoons, milk powder 2 tablespoons, vanilla essence half teaspoon. So I'm gonna mix this corn flour to half a cup of milk. So I'm stirring this well. So now I've made this into a lump-free batter. So I'm pouring the remaining milk to a vessel and I'm gonna boil it. Also I'm adding sugar. So we can mix this well and let it boil. Once the milk is boiled, I'm gonna add the corn flour mix after a good stir. Now we can stir this continuously without taking our hands. We can stir this continuously until the mix becomes thicker. So now it has started becoming thicker. Now we can switch off the flame and we can stir it for a little more time. Let it cool down. Now we can add the milk powder to a mixie jar and I'm gonna pour the mixture and also I'm gonna add the vanilla essence to it, and now we can blend it well. So this is the right texture of our ice cream, and now we can transfer it into a container. So I am pouring the ice cream mix. Now we can cover this. I am using an aluminium foil. You can use plastic cover or cling film to cover this. This is done to prevent the ice crystal formation. And then I'm going to cover it with the lid. Now we can keep this into a freezer. I'm keeping it for overnight, or else you can keep it for 6 to 8 hours in the freezer. And now I'm taking out. Now we can open the container. So our vanilla ice cream is ready. Now we can scoop this out. Before scooping, just leave 2 or 3 minutes outside so that it will be easy for us to scoop out. If you have a scooper, you can use that. Now I am using a spoon like this to scoop out. Here in this recipe, we don't want whipping cream, maida or wheat flour. So yes, our tasty and delicious vanilla ice cream is ready to serve. Just have a try. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also enable the bell icon for more new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.